Hi everybody, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change your email address in Candy Crush Saga. To change the email address associated with your Candy Crush Saga, you'll first need to be logged in with your King account on Candy Crush Saga. Launch open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device and log in with your King account's credentials. Once you're logged into the main homepage or the map page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings panel where you'll need to tap on My Account. Now, tap on the Edit button right under your email. Now in the Email tab, erase the current email and type down a new email address you would like to change to. After typing down your email, tap on Save Changes. Now, you'll need to confirm by entering your account's password first. Make sure to type in your King account's password on the next page to verify. Now tap on Submit. After submitting, you will then need to go ahead and verify your email. Go ahead and check your email service provider's inbox and you will then be able to change your email address on Candy Crush Saga. Make sure to always verify your email changes to avoid losing access to your account. So that's how you change email address on Candy Crush Saga. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.